The move that we're learning today is called our dumbbell bench press. Our dumbbell bench press is probably one of the most common moves that I see in the gym. But even though it's common, there's a lot of mistakes I see people doing. So the biggest mistake that people make is with the position of their arms when they're pressing. I am not flaring my elbows out, because when I flare my elbows out to right here, and see, if you see this angle in between my armpit, this is around a 90-degree angle. And so if it's so wide, I'm putting a lot of extra strain onto my shoulder that is super unnecessary. And so when I'm pressing, I'm bringing my arm and my elbow down so that this angle that I'm creating right here in between my armpits is around 45 degrees. And so I'll go ahead and show you in action what this is gonna look like. Starting off, having the dumbbells to be onto my legs just right here, having my butt be on the edge of the seat, and then now I look back just to make sure that I'm not gonna lean back and fall into the ground. Go all the way down, getting into that proper position, making sure the angle in between my armpits is around 45 degrees. My butt, my back are onto the bench, and then my feet stay onto the floor the entire time. And then now I'm fully pressing up and down, pressing up and down. But if you notice that when I'm in this top position, my wrist, my elbow, and my shoulder are all stacked above each other in one straight line. I don't want it to have it right here. I don't want it to have it diagonal either, because then that makes it a completely different exercise. And then when I finish, I can bring it down to my body using my legs, and I swing using that momentum so I don't have to get up in a setup. But that's our dumbbell bench press.